Asian stocks started on Thursday on a cautious note. Early trades show some indecisive moves mirroring the confusion in Wall Street trading overnight. Safe haven bets had gold edging towards its record high. Now, in Asia, investors are yet to digest weak US economic data. For now, investors are waiting to see the demand for a key bond auction in Japan. Japan's sovereign debt is back in the spotlight as the government prepares for another sale of super long-term bonds. This comes after dismal showings at recent auctions as demand for longer-dated bonds sputters across the globe. And Asian stocks edged up as South Korean shares gained for a third day, while Japanese indices dipped. Shares in Hong Kong rose, while those in mainland China were little changed. A gauge of global stocks closed at a record high on Wednesday amid speculation that the worst may be over on trade wars led by Trump. Treasuries steadied after rallying across the curve on Wednesday as data showed a contraction in U.S. service providers and a deceleration in hiring. That's a deceleration in hiring. The rally in bonds came as weak data reinforced Federal Reserve rate cut wages. The Fed has been on the sidelines in a wait-and-watch approach to see how the trade war impacts the real economy. The dollar declined decisively, unlike Wall Street stocks. The Fed's beige book showed U.S. economic activity has fallen slightly in recent weeks. That indicates tariffs and elevated uncertainty are rippling through the economy. All right, for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York.
Wall Street closed mixed as investors weighed cooling job market data against rising oil prices. Crude oil climbed above $78 a barrel, fueling energy sector gains. Meanwhile, Tesla shares slid on news of another round of price cuts in China, and the dollar held steady ahead of key inflation data due later this week. Markets remain cautious as investors look for clear signals on Fed rate cuts. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.